We are at Gitigaaning, the place of the gardens. I work for the Bimaji Idiwin Ojibwe garden program. I'm a gardener, and I also coordinate the producer training program. They can grow food for their families, or they can, if they have some extra, they can also sell the produce that they grow.
This program actually is a vision I've had for over 30 years, trying to get Fond du Lac to start a food sovereignty program in the agricultural department so that we can be a lot more self-sufficient with food and also grow healthy organic food for our community. And this is something that the Anishinaabe people have been doing for millennia.
Overall, I enjoy gardening. I mean, it's a lot of work, and if people don't like hard labor, then this is probably not the way to go. But the payoff in the end of the year, when you're eating the food that you've grown throughout the summer, it is such a satisfying feeling.
Each plot you will see here, the families working together in the garden, growing their own food, getting ready for the season.
It's me, my wife, our children, and our grandchildren. We come out here and been planting since the program first started.
We're both older now. I hope when the time comes that neither Jeff or I are here, our kids and our grandkids will carry this on so they can pass on that legacy to their children.
It's very important, the connection with food, to know where your food come from, where your food grow, and what is behind your food. Also to have the seeds and the connection with the soil, with our plant relatives, and just growing our own food is very important.